Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Topps Archives box break. Here is the box that's just shown on the preview video. There's the one you can hardly see there on Jose Reyes, which is the best identifier. There's the back with the one right on the Twitter bird. So let's get started here. There is another one of these up on eBay right now, ending on Wednesday. There's the empty box. Sorry, I'm going to try to adjust this a little bit here. We got Prince Fielder, just a little. Jared Weaver, Ted Lilly, Alex Rodriguez, and Corey Hart, gold in the same pack. Sid Bream, Cliff Lee, David Price, Corey Hart. Justin Verlander, Desmond Jennings, Michael Morse, Aroldis Chapman, Louis Tiant, Casey Kotchman, Joe Morgan, Adrian Beltre. Marco Scudero, Roberto Clemente, Mike Moustakas, and there's the first auto already, Bobby Grich for the Angels. Catfish Hunter sticker, Ryan Howard, Kevin Youkilis, Freddie Freeman. Trevor Cahill, Darryl Strawberry, Alan Craig, John Danks, Harmon Killebrew, Jamil Weeks, Adrian Gonzalez, Ubaldo Jimenez. Troy Tulowitzki, David Freese, Justin Morneau, Josh Johnson, Don Mattingly, Mark Trumbo, Ian Kennedy, Chris Young. Brett Lowry, Justin Masterson, Gary Carter, Zach Greinke, Al Kaline, John Lester, Craig Kimbrell, Mike Napoli. Josh Johnson, Michael Young, Yadier Molina, Tim Hudson, Wade Boggs, Victor Martinez, Shin-Soo Choo, David Wright. Matt Holliday, Jason Hayward, Michael Bourne, Ryan Braun, Wally Joyner, Jim Rice, Matt Kemp, Hunter Pence. Joey Votto, Ryan Vogelsong, Daniel Hudson, Curtis Granderson, Clayton Kershaw, Todd Helton, Chase Utley, Yunel Escobar. Jason Mott, Jay Bruce, Carl Crawford, Chipper Jones, Willie Mays, Jeremy Hellickson, Jimmy Rollins, Dustin Pedroia. Tommy Hanson, John Axford, Jason Worth, Nick Swisher, Joe Morgan, Roy Halladay, Alex Vila, Michael Pineda. Clayton Kershaw, Derek Jeter, Mickey Mantle, Ty Cobb, David Freese, James Shields, Mark Teixeira, Hanley Ramirez. Giovanni Soto, D. Gordon, Johnny Cueto, Tom Seaver, Kevin Youkilis, Martin Prado, Jonas Cespedes, Yu Darvish. Jaime Garcia, Niger Morgan, David Ortiz, Josh Hamilton, Tom Seaver, Ian Kinsler, Brandon Phillips, Justin Upton. Cal Ripken, Anibal Sanchez, Howie Kendrick, Brad Peacock, Mickey Mantle, Jacoby Ellsbury, Derek Holland, Gio Gonzalez. Adam Lind, Wade Boggs, Matt Harrison, Ike Davis, Ken Singleton, Lonnie Chisenhall, Madison Bumgarner, Sean Markham. Yogi Berra, Billy Butler, Mike Schmidt, Joe DiMaggio, Chase Utley, Ben Zobrist, Matt Cain, Dan Herron. See, we got about 7 more packs left. Still an auto, and who knows, maybe a relic. Drew Pomeranz, Johan Santana, R.A. Dickey, Brandon Morrow, Roy Halladay, CC Sabathia, Paul Goldschmidt, Jesus Montero. Matt Moore, Jordan Zimmerman, Torrey Hunter, and there's the second auto, Sean Dunston for the Cubs. Haven't seen that one yet. Chris Carpenter, Alex Gordon, Carlos Gonzalez, Jackie Robinson. Steven Strasburg, Brandon Beachy, Drew Storen, Heath Bell, Nolan Ryan, Lou Gehrig, Ozzie Smith, Babe Ruth. Asdrubal Cabrera, B.J. Upton, Irvin Santana, Elvis Andrus, Roger Maris, Carlos Ruiz, Phil Rizzuto, Jared Parker. Vance Worley, Adam Jones, Jose Reyes, Chris Carpenter, Darryl Strawberry, Reggie Jackson, Evan Longoria, Shane Victorino. 2 more packs here. Dan Uggla, Lance Berkman, Joe Mauer, Ricky Weeks, Robin Yount, Robinson Cano, Andrew McCutchen, George Brett. Last pack. Eric Hosmer, Brett Gardner, Mariano Rivera, Catfish Hunter, Jack Clark, Carlos Santana, Nelson Cruz, and Josh Beckett. So no relic this time. And the 2 autos here were Sean Dunston for the Cubs and Bobby Grich for the Angels. Thanks again for your purchase. I'm going to start shipping these out tonight. I really want to get top-rated seller status with this hobby box breaker, so... And the stuff took an extra day to get here, so I'm going to get everything out tonight, or try to. There's another one of these up on my regular name, Markle Merchants, and it ends on Wednesday, so check it out. Thanks again.